tail sweep. Paddle turning this mighty machine at almost zero airspeed, they will dive towards you at a steep angle. And returning to show center, synchronizing their maneuvers, bubbles and fiber will pull up together in harmony, turn and cross each other to fly away, executing a maneuver we call the bow tie. The Apache Longbow is one of the world's most advanced multi-mission attack helicopters. This attack helicopter is combat proven in its land strike capabilities. And showcasing the agility of a helicopter, the Apaches will now execute a quick stop, rapidly decelerating to zero speed and terminating the flight into a hover at both